So what you gonna do for ZSAD?
Remove the main out.
Off. Why are we taking the main earth off? Guys, why are we taking it off? To eliminate parallel path. So we got the reading only what is coming to us. The resistance of the external resistance. Okay?
This one as well.
Yes. So this one you don't need.
Let's get this right now. I'll take a picture of it.
First check the setting. So we go to
zero it?
no trip. No need to zero.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
That goes through it, okay. And this is live, yeah?
Yes. So the top is live. I will go from other way around. Other way around. Then you press.
Test.
You don't need to hold, just press.
0.45.
0.45. Alright? Okay. Okay. So that is your ZSA dB. Okay? You know what is it, right? This is this one. Then you do IPF. No, it should be off. No, it's not. Okay, no, it's not off. Okay?
It's off now.
Yeah? You return the earth back and do the same thing.
And this is for the photo.
For IPF, yeah. But you take the reading from the bottom, the one in the arms.
Now we open this.
No. You do IPF now. IPF.
Oh yeah.
Same setting, same setting. Same setting. Whatever you did now, do it the same thing with the earth back.
No, it goes back.
So that just goes on the block.
In the real world, they never turn it off.
In reality, you don't do this one
Right.
when you do testing. But this is the proper
power
way of
on?
doing it. Okay, other way around, other way around.
Is the power on?
We're going to turn it on now. Nice.
Yeah, you don't know how I feel standing here. Boom.
What happened when the heaters went off?
And that's 0.4.
And this is the reading you're taking.
0.5. 0.51.
Because it's 8 kilograms. If you check that one, it's 8 kilograms. Okay? So that one done. Now let's don't open that one, but Manjit, it's the same thing. ZS and RCD. If when you do this one, you open it and you get the same connections, more or less, right? For the sockets, it's easy showing you the sockets as well, but okay. It's off again.
It's not.
Now the same thing, you're gonna turn this on. This
It
on.
should be changed. No trip, yeah?
Same thing. Line and...
Yeah.
Okay.
You go to no trip.
Okay.
4 times.
No, it's just one.
Okay.
This one in
0.50.
Okay.
You wanna try? Manjit?
No, that's fine. That's fine.
You're gonna be by yourself.
Manjit, give it a go.
Status.
Give it a go. You.
Yeah, try.
Yeah. The thought of it being live doesn't
Yeah, live.
excite me, you know?
Just don't slip.
You're famous now. You've been filmed, recorded.
It's posted on YouTube.
Like,
Okay?
And now
You can take it off. Now you do RCD time.
what do they call?
Okay? Okay, good. RCD time, right? First you have the RCD test button, right?
I've got it with him.
RCD test button. Press it.
You want the 36 inch?
Yeah. Okay, so it went down, right? So you
Is that Thursday?
put it back on again, put it on, and then you tick when it said RCD test button, right?
Okay.
Whatever it is.
Yeah, it's here. It's here.
Yeah? You tick. Okay? Now you test. You do an RCD time.
So we're not in there.
No, it's already there. RCD time. It's on 30 milliamp. It's on auto. Right? Touch the same thing.
Same thing again.
Always is the same thing. Okay? Test and hold.
Oh, hold.
No. Hold over there.
4 times.
So first one doesn't trip. Second one doesn't trip. Now it's going to trip 2 times. Just
All right.
once.
So it just does it by itself.
Yeah. Twice.
If you do your test, you still don't come back to
3.
Send the video after, please.
Of course, yeah.
4. Good. Take it off.
In the group.
You cycle. And you write down the highest one.
Oh, okay.
18.9.
18.9. And you put that,
So
where do
this
you
is
put that
what.
on there?
Tick the test.
So you have to do this for all circuits. You can take one of these
For the socket.
for the socket. Or this one. Yes, take them off. Take this. Take this. Connect them.
although there is a small design in the
On the last one.
But that's just like a very short.
I'm going to turn it on for you.
From here?
to be honest, I think I might
Go to say there's no trip.
Oh, okay.
all the easy answers, just bang it bang. Doing a lot of last ones, get the main one, and then
This is ZS. You have to do them all
One by one?
one by one. No, it's the same thing. Just go for the next one.
Oh, okay.
but we
You get the idea, right? Press.
everyone start 3:30 then, yeah?
Eight. Yeah. Do that one.
So we get 2.5 hours for
Yeah. If it's off, it's not gonna work.
Yeah.
If you test, nothing happens. Okay? Lastly, do the RCD test. Go to this setting. RCD time. Okay? Plug it in any. Okay? First you test the test button, alright? You've tested.
Oh, okay.
Press it. Okay? You tick the button. Test button tick. Now you test.
That's just because they're sampling, aren't they? So basically,
Why it's not true?
same as this.
Lift it up.
Put it back 4 times.
And you have to do it 4 times as well.
The trip should be 4 times.
And then if they go off, they do the same
Put it back again.
Yeah? So now you
This gives the RCD time,
you write down
and
the highest one.
we just take the highest by pressing the up and down arrow.
Okay, and that's it.
Note down the highest reading, and that is RCD time.
Okay, for the sockets, you done for this light, same thing. This light. You want to try polarity? Yeah. Use this one.
For the polarity, 30 volt. Off. Is it off now, sir?
Is it line and neutral?
Yeah. Line and neutral, you should have 230.
Line and neutral, 230.
Yeah.
And then line and earth?
Line and out.
Yeah. And then line and neutral?
No, you tried that one already. The last one is neutral and earth.
Oh, yeah. A bit like the...
That one is you tried from the main switch.
Oh,
Because there's no connection to that one because the switch is off. Okay? That's it.
So it should be done when the means.
This is the first thing you do.
First thing, we don't need to switch it on. The main.
Yeah, no, because if you touch this one, it's live.
Okay.
boom. One in line.
Okay.
Now off.